What if I told you one of the most famous shotguns in history doesn't use a pump, but a lever? Meet the legendary Winchester Model 1887, a firearm that changed shotgun history forever and became a Hollywood icon. Designed by the legendary John Moses Browning in 1887, the Winchester Model 1887 was the world's first successful lever-action repeating shotgun. It was manufactured by the Winchester Repeating Arms Company in the United States and quickly became known for its unique design and dependable performance. Interestingly, Browning originally believed a pump-action system would be the better choice for a shotgun. However, Winchester wanted a lever-action design because lever-action rifles were incredibly popular at the time. Accepting the challenge, Browning engineered a shotgun that combined innovation, reliability, and classic frontier styling, creating one of the most recognizable firearms of the 19th century. The Winchester Model 1887 operated using a smooth lever-action mechanism and fed ammunition from a tubular magazine beneath the barrel. It was originally chambered for powerful 10-gauge black powder shells, while later versions were produced in 12-gauge. Its ability to fire multiple shots before reloading made it a practical choice for hunters, ranchers, and sportsmen. Built with durable steel and quality craftsmanship, it earned a reputation for strength and reliability. More than a century after its introduction, the Winchester Model 1887 became famous all over again through the blockbuster film Terminator 2: Judgment Day. Its unforgettable appearance introduced this classic shotgun to a new generation of fans, making it one of the most recognizable firearms in movie history. Today, the Winchester Model 1887 remains a prized collector's firearm and a remarkable example of John Browning's engineering legacy. Its unique lever-action design continues to fascinate firearm enthusiasts and historians around the world, securing its place as one of the most legendary shotguns ever built. If you enjoyed learning about this legendary shotgun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more amazing firearm history and fascinating facts.